Hey, what's up everyone? Welcome back to my channel. Inflammation. Inflammation is the body's process of fighting against conditions such as injury, infections, or irritation. Also, inflammation can cause pain, redness, heat, and swelling. Blood-borne pathogens. Blood-borne pathogens are infection microorganisms that can be transmitted through human blood or body fluids. It's possible to spread blood-borne pathogens by cutting, chemical burns, or broken skin in the salon. Biofilms. Biofilms are colonies of one or more types of microorganisms. These cells stick to each other and often stay on the environmental surfaces or the human body. Viruses. Viruses are small, simple compositions and powerful microorganisms. Viral and bacterial infections both have many things in common and can cause similar symptoms, but they can only live and reproduce by attaching themselves to cells. Contagious disease. Contagious diseases spread rapidly from person to person in several ways. The flu, cold, and strep throat can spread easily in the salon. Pus. Pus is a thick fluid containing white blood cells, bacteria, and dead cells. If you have an infection that's causing accumulation of pus, thank you for watching this video. Please thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. See you in my next video. Bye.